To optimize Venmo transfers, it is essential to understand the basics of how the service works and the fees associated with it. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money quickly and easily. The first step to optimizing Venmo transfers is to ensure that both the sender and recipient have a Venmo account and are connected. This can be done by downloading the Venmo app, creating an account, and adding the recipient as a friend. Next, it is crucial to understand the fees associated with Venmo transfers. Venmo does not charge a fee for sending or receiving money from a linked debit card, bank account, or Venmo balance. However, a small fee is charged for instant transfers to a debit card, and a standard fee is applied for credit card transactions. To avoid these fees, users can opt for a standard transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days and is free. Users can also add a credit or debit card to their Venmo account to make payments and avoid the standard transfer time. Another way to optimize Venmo transfers is to use the service's built-in features, such as the option to split bills or request money from friends. This feature allows users to easily divide expenses and receive payments from multiple people. Additionally, users can take advantage of Venmo's purchase protection feature, which provides a layer of security for transactions. This feature ensures that buyers are protected in case of a disputed transaction. To further optimize Venmo transfers, users should keep their account information up to date, including their email address, phone number, and bank account information. This ensures that transfers are processed quickly and efficiently. In terms of best practices, users should always verify the recipient's information before sending a transfer, and they should never send money to someone they do not know. Users should also keep their Venmo app and account information secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, users can optimize their Venmo transfers and take advantage of the service's convenient and secure features. Overall, optimizing Venmo transfers requires a basic understanding of the service and its features, as well as an awareness of the fees and best practices associated with it.